What up, guys? It's your boy DJ Super back with another video. I know I've been slacking a lot, but the reason I've been slacking is I've been waiting on my water pump. So my water pump, I had the hydro fan, and you know that runs off of automatic transmission fluid. So on my way back from Indianapolis, that blew up on me. So I thought it was just a gasket, so I replaced the gasket, put everything back together. You know, you guys got 2Js, you know that takes a lot of work to take the pulley off and all the other stuff off and get that stuff situated. So I put it all together. It wasn't a gasket, the water pump was bad, so I had to order a 2J pump. Then I went with a 7M GTE clutch fan and a Tacoma fan. So basically that stuff kind of worked. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. So basically there's no more hydro fan. Hydro fan used to sit right there. It's a Tacoma fan. I'm gonna have to get that intercooler pipe rerouted so I can have a bigger fan to fit. Or I might just go with electric fans. Oh yeah, check that out. I love that. Can't wait till I do the valve covers. Other than that, hood's still clean and good. You know, running good, running nice. Everything's still cool, you know, nothing's overheating. Good. But yeah, no, just a brief update. Everything's still running smooth and good, like I said. Other than that, I'm gonna close this video out. Peace. I'll probably do some more videos later on, but I don't know if it's car season over yet, but I don't think so. Other than that, stay cool.